Hey Manny, how much do you have in your piggy bank?
I have 343.
Chella, how much do you have?
198.
Manny, how much is together?
541.
That was fast. How did you do that?
I can explain. I have 343. Chella has 198. I looked at both the numbers. If I make 198 into 200, it will become much more easier. So 198 plus 2 equals 200. Now it's super easy. 343 plus 200 equals 543. I already added 2 before, so all I need to do is minus 2. So now 543 minus 2 is 541.
Wow, that was smart. I'm going to steal those piggy banks tonight.
What?